Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews Roku Network Error Fix, simple solutions to get back online struggling with a Roku network connection error. This guide explains easy, step-by-step fixes to reconnect your Roku to Wi-Fi. Learn how to restart your device, adjust router settings, improve signal strength, and resolve common Roku internet errors quickly for smooth, uninterrupted streaming. 1. Restart your Roku device. The first and easiest fix is restarting your Roku. Go to Settings, System, Power, System Restart. If your Roku doesn't have a restart option, unplug it from power, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches that often cause network errors. 2. Restart your internet router and modem. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and modem, unplug them, wait 1 to 2 minutes, and power them back on. Let all lights stabilize before turning on your Roku. Router issues are one of the most common reasons Roku fails to connect to the internet. 3. Check your internet connection speed. Roku requires a stable connection, at least 3 megabits per second for SD, 5 megabits per second for HD, and 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. On Roku, go to Settings, Network, check connection. If speeds are low, move the Roku closer to the router or reduce other devices using the same network. 4. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, Network, Setup, Connection, Wireless, select your Wi-Fi network, and re-enter the password carefully. An incorrect or changed password often causes connection errors, especially after router updates or power outages. 5. Move Roku closer to the router. Weak Wi-Fi signals can interrupt Roku's connection. If possible, place your Roku closer to the router or reduce obstacles like walls, metal objects, or other electronics. For Roku streaming sticks, using an HDMI extender can also improve signal strength. 6. Check router settings, frequency band. Many Roku devices work best on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, though newer models support 5 GHz. If your router combines both bands, try temporarily disabling one or connecting Roku specifically to the 2.4 GHz band, which offers better range. 7. Update Roku software manually. Outdated software can cause network issues. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, check now. If Roku can't connect to update, use a mobile hotspot temporarily to complete the update, then reconnect to your home Wi-Fi. 8. Disable VPN or firewall restrictions. If your router has a VPN, firewall, or parental controls enabled, it may block Roku's connection. Temporarily disable these features and test the connection again. Roku does not officially support VPN connections directly on the device. 9. Perform a network reset. Resetting network settings can fix stubborn errors. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Network Connection Reset. Restart Roku afterward, and set up the Wi-Fi connection again from scratch. 10. Factory reset, last option. If nothing works, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. This will erase all settings and apps, so use it only as a last resort. After reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and sign in again. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.